everyone, welcome to Easy Learn. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Jenkins. There are 4 required softwares to install Jenkins. We'll see one by one. Okay. These are the required softwares. So before installing Jenkins we required Java because Jenkins is fully developed by Java. So and we also need to install Maven and Jenkins to build the code. Okay. So to build the Java related code we required Maven. So we'll go to the server. Yeah, this is my Ubuntu server. First we'll update the repository. Yeah, update is successful. 71 packages are required to upgrade. We will upgrade that packages. This is a Ubuntu mission, so we are installing Jenkins in Ubuntu. Now give enter and again enter. Yeah, so upgrade is successful. Clear the screen. Now I'm going to install Java first. Yeah, still Java is not installed in this Ubuntu mission. So first of all I'm going to install that. Yes. Give enter. Again enter. Yeah, Java is installed successfully. We'll check the status of Java. See, open JDK 11. This is the Java version. So JDK is runtime. Everything it's showing. So Java is installed successfully. Now we will install and Git and Maven. Okay, just apt get install. We can give Maven and Git at a time -y. We can install like this also. And Git and Maven installed successfully. We'll check Maven version. Yeah, Apache Maven 3.6.3 version is installed, and we'll check git version also. Yeah, it is also installed. Now we will install the Jenkins. So go to the Google and type here Jenkins download. Click on the first download and deployments Jenkins. Come down, choose here Ubuntu. These are the PPAs, so we need to add these PPAs to the repository, and then we will install the Jenkins. So I will provide this link in the description, you can go and check that. Copy this one. And copy. Give enter. Yeah, and copy another one, second link. Give enter. Yeah, this is added successfully, so we need to update the repository. Repository is updated successfully, so now we will run the Jenkins install command. So apt-get install Jenkins -y. We are giving S commands now here. Jenkins is start installing. Yeah, give OK here, and again OK. So Jenkins is installed successfully. So now we need to enable the Jenkins systemctl. Jenkins is enabled successfully. Now we will start the Jenkins. Start Jenkins. We'll check the status of the Jenkins. Jenkins is running actively. See here. Now give control C. Yeah, it's fine. So now Jenkins is running perfectly. So Jenkins will run on 8080 port. So first we need to add that role in the security group first. So I already enabled that role in security group. So first we need to take the public IP of the server. This is the public IP of the server. Copy this and go here. Take new tab. Paste it here and colon 8080. See, Jenkins is this is a console of the Jenkins. Jenkins is installed perfectly. So now copy this path. Through this path we will get the administrator password. Okay. First we need to copy this and go to the server and cat. Copy this path. This is the password. paste and continue. I have to save this. So here two types of things will come: customized Jenkins or selected plugins. So we can choose suggested plugins. So it is install all suggested plugins. To install all the plugins, it will take few seconds. We'll wait for that. Everything is installed successfully. Now we have to create a user here, admin user. So I'm creating admin user. Give password here and confirm password again. Your full name and here any mail address you can give. So click on save and finish. Only have this, close. Wanted to save this, save and finish. Let's start Jenkins. So this is how we will install the Jenkins. So here we have how to create jobs here. See, create jobs. We can click on here, either click on the new item, go here and give any name for this job. I'm giving Marvin job, and here we have different types of jobs here. So freestyle and pipeline, multi-configuration. So we can select any one. So if you are running any Java project, Java related project, means you have to install Marvin plugin in this Jenkins. Okay, so I'm taking the freestyle one and click on it. Okay. Like this one configuration page will open. So here we can give any description, like I'm integrating Git with the Jenkins, so I'm mentioning that. Here we need to select the Git source code management. Here we need to give the repository URL of the Git. So in Git we have different repositories, right? So we have to give that URL, either we can give the credentials. So if it is a public account, means we can give a repository URL here. If not, it's a private, you have to give the credentials here. I already have my Git account. So this is an open source account, you can create your own account. So click here, you will get HTTPS and SSH and GitHub CLI. These kind of URLs you will get. Just click on HTTPS, it's a secure one. Copy this one, go to Jenkins, paste it here. So come down. So here branch specifier is, mine is main, so you can give your own branch name here. Come down. Just save and apply. So go here, build now, click on it. Okay, our first build is running. We'll check it will success or fail. Yes, this is successful. So open the console. So Jenkins is successfully integrated with the Git. So this is how we will create jobs in Jenkins. So I hope you learned something from my video. So thanks for watching this video. I will get back to you with another new video. Thank you so much.